So, Egon, tell me more about Wingops. What kind of services do you provide?
Thank you for asking. Wingops, we provide service to CAMO and maintenance companies who need to manage their aircraft and hangar services in one platform.
Okay, and what is the main benefit for customers for using Wingops?
Its main benefit is it's all integrated. So if one part of organization and the second part of organization cannot talk to each other, you have mistakes. With Wingops, you will have the integration between your different organizations in your company. So the speed, efficiency, and minimized errors come into play.
Okay, and the integration with Leon, where did the idea came from?
The idea actually came from a client. They needed to get their data from Leon into ours, the flight hours, and also the bookings back into Leon, so they can be more efficient and they can do better planning.
Okay, and you're present during AERO2026. What's your main mission today?
Main mission is connect with our clients, with existing new clients, and also to enjoy the show and educate people that there are options to maintain your aircraft fleet and organizations more efficiently, to be better suited to this kind of environment where everything's so competitive. You can be more efficient.
All right, thank you.